Welcome everyone. As you can see, I've got Prince Adam today, who has seen better days. I've already got the legs soaking in hot water because I'm going to be attempting to replace his, I guess I'd call that his hip joint. But big shout out to Polloi. Watched his video on how to do this, so hopefully we can make it work. So get a nice piece of string, form a loop up, and work it through the hole in the back, and grab, that hook's not going to grab, this one will. Bring it all the way through, then wet down the end. That's not something he said, but I'm going to try that. Try again. Well, I guess I better put it back in the... back through there. Where'd that... There it is. Oh, let it roll it around a couple of times. Now, bring it in there. And he had trouble with it too, so I'm not going to feel too bad. Wrap it up nice and tight there, get it snug. And sort of, you just easily worked it through with a screwdriver. Because as you can see, the hole it's coming through is considerably smaller than the I'm really trying not to stab myself with the screwdriver here too. I hope that's not an important piece of plastic in there because it's going to break. Let the circulation flow back through again. Alright, I think it's going to go. A little more cajoling. Oh, yes. I think it's past the... there it went. Yeah, past the... Alright. Now we got these out. Got his hip bones back in place. If I can get these to unwrap now. Okay. And he had forceps to pop them back in place. I don't have any right now, but like I say, these have been soaking in hot water, and also also looks like, based on the doing a little more cleaning of the old out of the hardest part was getting that stuff cleaned out of there, I think. But what I'm going to use is, like I say, the hook I tried earlier. And basically, what he did, well, I don't think that's going to work either. Okay, so needle nose pliers. Get in there and grab that end, sort of brace it against the outside of his hip. What it looked like he did. Oh, I had to jump the gun on pulling it out of the water. Okay. And then make sure you got the correct foot. Yeah. And you should just Okay, I hadn't got enough. Get a little bit further down in there. Alright, so I got the mushroom coming out. And just pop her in there. Okay, that's not going to work. Let's try back to the hook again. I don't have enough hands. Okay, so that's... Oh yeah, and do you want it sort of facing correctly, you said too. Okay, so like that. I think, feels like it's just gonna... And it just popped right in. Excellent. Now I'll see if I can do it with the other leg. Through here with that one. Get a hold of it down there. And the hook through, maybe. Yep. Oh, yeah, that's hot water. Don't stick your hand down in that, Daniel. Alright, now I'll see if I can keep my thumb hold out, sort of facing the right direction. Nope, I lost it. I'm starting to think the forceps may be important to this procedure. Trying to think if I've got any similar tools. I got small needle nose locking pliers I may have to end up using, but I'm going to try this one more time before I go down for that route. Get you over there. Okay. Hook. No, I'm about to hook myself. I think the hook will be a good tool if I can just get it. The hook's going to be the tool to use, I think, in my situation, since I don't have the forceps. And on. That, okay. Nope. Okay. Needle nose one more time. Okay, I'm gonna go get the needle nose locking pliers. Be right. Okay, I'm back. I did not have small needle nose pliers like I thought I did. Put my mic back on. But I did go to my dad's house and borrowed some. This is what he was using in the forceps, but his were a far more practical size for the application. So let's see if I can make these work until I can get some more appropriately sized ones. Alright. Okay, so I gotta get in there and grab the hip joint. Okay, now get in there with these and up there. The advantage of these, they do lock in place, so I've got a little bit of leeway here on that. And now, while I was over there doing that, I did put the leg back into the hot water, although it's probably less hot now. It's been a few minutes. I didn't know Dad had these forceps, so I'm glad I went over there looking. Okay, so that. Now, I don't think I got quite enough slack on it, so let's hope I can hold on to it. Let loose and grab a little bit further down. Locked in place down there. Okay, now I've got some real space to work with here. There we go. This is going to work. Remember to put the legs facing the right direction. Right. Oop. Hey, you. I just need one more set of hands. Okay, so that. See if I can just do it now that it sits there. Okay, I think nope, I did not get it. Okay. Try it from this side. Okay, I think I see the principle now. Okay. I was sure that was it. Okay, the thing is these forceps are too big, so I can't. Okay, you all the way out. Okay, new plan. Forceps, release, and go a little bit further so they're more. Now, get a hold of that. Okay. Let's see. I got enough leverage and everything here. Don't stab yourself with a screwdriver. If I do, I won't show it, guys. Don't worry. I think I got it. And we got him fully restored Prince Adam's legs. A little wonky, but they oh no, they're not up way in. Hang on. More up here. And then back. All right, they're in now. And he stands up. Legs are good and sturdy. This one, I didn't. Oh, it's not good either. So let's go all the way around with it so I can make sure he's not going to fall apart again on me. Of course, I don't really intend to play with them much, but I want to make sure it's solid. Okay, I got them both in place now. Both hip joints are in place. Stands up straight enough. All right. Now we can get back to the actual work of doing it. As like all the other Masters of the Universe, now I can actually go into, well, evidently I was playing with matches or something with them, because that's a burn mark. That's not a age mark. Of course, the legs are pretty clean because I've been soaking in hot water for the last hour or so. Yeah, double check those hips one more time. Yeah, I think they're all in. Let's see here. Got some discoloration on the plastic. Not surprising. Trying to get this cleaned up good, but don't panic, guys. Not only do I have Prince Adam, I've got his cloak, or his vest, or whatever, the velvet vest. I think the only reason it was on there is because it was on there whenever it got thrown away, put away, and there's no way to get it off without. And not only do I have the vest and Prince Adam, I've got the sword. And I'm pretty sure that makes him complete. For future, I'm going to buy a better set of these that are more appropriate for this function, smaller, more reasonable. But there's Prince Adam up close. And it's like, he's got some discoloration on his face. I don't think that's going to come off. I think looks like it's silver. It looks like it must have rubbed up against another toy in the box. His velvet vest. Shoulders got a little twisted up at some point. Here's the pink version of the power sword. All right. I say it's. He wasn't originally part of the He-Man universe. Once the cartoon came out, you got to see Prince Adam, and that's when they started that whole mythology of by the power of Grayskull, and they basically changed the whole story with the cartoon after the comics that came with the figures came out. But he was pretty cool. I liked it. I was excited when he came out because I actually was able to play along with the cartoon. Even though it's a very bad disguise because that's He-Man's head. Sort of like Clark Kent wearing glasses disguises him. But anyway, that's that. Much longer video than I normally do on these, but like I said, that repair, I wanted to show that. And once again, big thanks to and shout out to Toy Polloi. I'll put a link in the description for him because he did a much better job of fixing it than I did because he was more prepared. And thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe because it's going to keep going for a while yet. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.